Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1442, that is count triplets that can form two arrays of equal XOR, and in this we'll be given an array of integers. We have to select three indices I, j and k where I, j, k lies between the length of the array. Okay, and let's define A and B as follows, that if A is equal to ARR I plus 1, so on to j minus 1, and B equals to ARR j plus 1 and hierarchy. Okay, and we have to return the triplets where A is equal to B. Okay, not just the triplets, basically the XOR of that. For example, in this we are having 2, 3, 1, 6, 7. So the triplets that can be formed are 0, 0th index plus means second index, then 0, 2, and second index again. Okay, so for this, what we'll be having, so the total answer comes out to be 4 in that case. Now, what we'll be having to do is we'll be firstly, let's have the length variable, that is n arr dot length. Okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be having the prefix XOR array. Let's have a prefix XOR that will be equal to new int of size n plus 1. So now let's just do it of n and increase n by 1, n plus length plus 1. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be setting the prefix XOR 0th element to be 0, because we initialize XOR by 0 only. Then we'll be traversing in the array that for int I equal to 1, I less than array dot length I plus plus, or you can even do n minus 1. Okay, uh, okay, we need n here because we need to sum up to the prefix XOR. So what we'll do is we'll be updating my prefix XOR of I as array I XOR prefix XOR I minus 1. Okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be using two for loops, that for int I equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus. Okay, and then what we'll be doing is we'll be initializing another for loop, that for int j equal to 0, oh sorry, j equal to I plus 1, and then j less than n j plus plus, and let's have the count variable also. Let's have answer, instead answer equal to 0, and then what we'll be doing is that a prefix XOR of I is equal to the prefix XOR of j. What we'll be doing is we'll be updating my answer as answer is equal to j minus I minus 1. Okay, and at the end we just have to return answer. Okay, now let's run it quickly. Okay, so it says, oh, new int. Okay, my bad. Now let's run it. Array index out of bound. Okay, let me just check what happened wrong. Okay, of I minus 1. Sorry. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And works perfectly fine. Okay, so this way it will. Thank you for watching.